This machine here is our paper drill. Its purpose is to drill holes in large quantities of paper. I'm just using a small quantity here for an example. But you've already watched the video on the safety concerns for this machine, noticing that there is a crush hazard identified here on this warning label. The paper clamp right here, this part of the machine creates a crush hazard, so you have to be careful with that and your finger placement when you drop that clamp down. Okay, so you want to be sure that your fingers are out on the outboard sides of your paper when you drop that clamp down, and your fingers aren't near the clamp when you drop that down, because that has the potential to smash a finger. So beware of that. Also note that the this drill shaft down here spins, and the shaft right above it, right here in this gap, is also spinning. To operate this machine, your power switch is up top. Turn the power switch on. I recommend that before you start the process, you take a pen or pencil and you mark where you want that hole to go. So just put a little crosshairs or a little mark of some sort where you want to drill your hole. Then position your papers on the bed of the machine. Drop the drill bit down. You can then position your papers so that it lines up right where you want that hole. Press down with the foot pedal to create a hole, and then that punches through all the paper. Turn the machine off when you're finished, please. The guide here on the side is adjustable, so you can see this guide right here. Let me bring you over so you can see it. This guide here uses these little triangular stops, and it is set currently for a 3-hole punch. So this would be your first hole. Bring that over. That's your second hole. One more time, that's your third hole, and that gives you proper spacing for a 3-hole punch. These can be set to anything different. Right now we have them set, most of the time we have them set for a 3-hole punch, as that is most common. The back gauge can also be set, so this back here can also be set. There are thumb screws down here, right underneath the back gauge. If they are loosened, you see they move forward, it moves forward and backwards, and that gives you more or less distance between your hole and the top of the sheet. So if you need a hole in the middle of the sheet for some reason, you'd have to slide this guard all the way to the back of the machine. Okay, that would allow you to fit your papers in there far enough for a hole in the middle.